Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel Zee Tech. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I am gonna tell you how you can get your Airwallex account in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. On the screen you can see this is my store, Zee Tech store. If you wanna buy anything you can contact me on my social media links given in the description as well as on the screen. So now I am moving to my second screen so that I'll be able to show you the Airwallex account. You can check at the screen. This is my Airwallex account. I have a lot of accounts like this. If you wanna buy one of them, then you can contact me. Here I'll show you if it's able to create unlimited virtual credit card, as most of the people were demanding this feature, which is unlimited credit cards creation. So it provides two sort of cards, company cards and personal cards. You can create any sort of card that you want to. Okay, now I'm putting the name so that I can create a card and I can show you. It provides unlimited virtual credit cards, so you can just contact me on my social media and directly buy it without asking further questions about it. I am just clarifying it here that it provides you a lot of virtual credit card without any limit. You can check it on Google as well. As you can see, I have created it successfully and there is no issue with it. So don't worry about it. I'll provide you old account with transaction history as well, so that you can just trust on it and your account won't be get suspended. If you buy from someone else, there will be no guarantee as well as your account can be suspended. We are providing the best price of the market as well as the best accounts, so you guys just can contact us and you can buy yours. It's based on LLC as well as we have France region accounts. We have all the proper documentations of this account and we will provide you everything which is related to this account. So just don't waste your time in creation methods, and if you will try to create your own account of Airwallex, then it will take a lot of time of you as well as your documents will be wasted and it cost a lot. So don't worry about it. You can just contact us. We will provide you a ready-made account. There will be no worry about it. You can just buy it and use. We will provide you 60 days warranty as well as all the proper documentation in PDF form, and we will be available 24/7 for any kind of verification if it's needed in the future. So don't be just silly to buy creation methods and buy documentation then try to create your own account. It will cause a lot of issues to you and you will just waste your money. So instead of that, you can just buy this kind of account from us. We are here to serve you. You can just contact us, just ask the details and get yours. This account is in huge demand and we have 10 to 15 accounts left. We are selling bank accounts from last 10 years and we have sold Airwallex accounts, 20 plus Airwallex accounts in last 30 days. You guys can contact us right now and get your account. All the things will be provided to you without any issue. As well as if you want to get any sort of guidance about the Airwallex accounts, you guys can contact us. We will just provide it free of cost. And if you want to buy your own account, then it will be very good for you. You can just click on the social media links given in the description, as well as you can see on the screen. There is given a WhatsApp and Instagram. I will put the link of my Telegram in the description. You can just follow it to contact me. So goodbye and thank you so much.